What is up, boys? Today I wanted to do a little unboxing and first thoughts on the new Midwest Industries Alpha S Series AK folding stock. So I had this thing on back order through Brownells for I think like $260 with the discount code, and it was on back order for like 3 weeks. So I saw the RTG had it in stock, so I placed the order. It's like $10 more, give or take, but it shipped like pretty much the next day. So I got this thing for about, I think $276 it was. So maybe like $10 or $15 more than Brownells, but in stock, ready to go. Here's the box. Made in USA. Pretty cool. Let's see. Nice. Got some Allen heads, flush cheek piece screws, some stickers, nice. Looks like it'll be pretty straightforward. Cool. Nice. It feel like looking at it in the pictures, I thought it would like feel like it was cheap, but man, this thing is rock solid. And then I saw some people saying that whenever it's extended that it felt wobbly. All right, sorry about that. My camera died. But yeah, a lot of people were saying that whenever it's extended all the way out that there was like a lot of play. I mean, there's a little bit there, like, yeah, but I don't think that that's anything crazy. So I guess you got to use an Allen head to make the adjustments for the buttstock to go up and down. And then this cheek riser, you got to unscrew these and then take it all the way up. But man, overall, I would say this thing's pretty sturdy. Looks good to me. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks good, feels good. A little bit of grease down in there. Love to see that. See if I can do the mechanism without it on a 1913. I don't think so. Mechanism looks really good there. Very solid. Nice. Pretty easy to adjust that. Yeah, guys, just a little unboxing video. Say it looks pretty good to me, but we'll see. Probably whenever I put like 500 rounds or so through it, I'll probably do an update video and let you guys know how it's been. But yeah, looks really good out of the box. I'm excited. All right, guys, take care.